Hi, welcome to a new Cube video. My name is Pavel Sayanko, and today I tell you how to change look and feel of CubeGUI using cascading style sheets. Let's go.
Okay, we're back to our terminal, and today I would like to show you how one can control or adjust the look and feel of CubeGUI, so its display, which control one has over font size, background color, or text color, or elements color, and why one does need it. So the main reason why one needs it, of course, if one would like to have a nice screenshot for the publication, for articles, or for some documentation or presentation. So one usually increases the size of fonts because the resolution of screen is simply too high and not suitable for publication. Or if one has some demonstration, some demo, and one would like to present CubeGUI to public auditory via big screen, so one would like to make it also more visible for everyone than one usually works with. So let's take a look. So let's start a cube, and we open the cube file. So I already set up the situation when the font size is too little, too small, to be comfortable and useful. And basically the first wish what one has is basically how to increase the font size of all these elements, because it's barely readable. So one easy way to do it, if it is only about the font size, is scroll it up using the mouse with a scroll button. For that one has to have a mouse over some empty space, and because if it is in a tree, so one presses Ctrl in a keyboard and then scrolls up or scrolls down. The window appears, which shows the percentage of the increased font size in comparison to standard value. So if the standard value is 12 pixel points, and then the current size is then 180% bigger. So if it is, for example, this situation is enough big for one, then that would be the standard settings. And if one closes the cube, and then by next invocation, one sees that everything has now this new font size. That is the one way how one can control the font size. So in this case it is too big, so I would like to reduce it. So to my 100%. Yeah, so that is the easy way, that is fast way, just Ctrl plus a scroll button and the font gets up or down. Another way what we offer for the user is via TSS, cascading style sheets. This way to control the size and at all appearance of elements is provided by Qt itself, and the way is very flexible. So we just do not re-implement it in anyhow. We just offer the user access to it. So basically, one goes to the menu Display and selects the menu item Customize Style Sheets. So goes here, and here is the dialog which we offer, and here one can see the example how one controls look and feel of CubeWidgets and Q3 view. We didn't change the syntax because the name of the class in Qt is pretty much self-explanatory. So CubeWidget stands for basically every widget in an application. Q3 view, that is the display of the tree. So in our case, that is the trees of dimensions. One can also see that this example is commented out. So we present this text as example for the user, but by default we do not use it. If one would like to adjust the look and feel, one has to uncomment it. So So if we uncomment it, for example, here, and then we would like to increase the font size of only 3, not anything else, but only 3. So we change it, for example, on 15. The font family can stay, and let's say our I don't like the white background. I would like to have it. Let's say yellow. So then I replace it here by yellow, right? So and then I can press here apply, and then I see that this my tree display has changed, and the font sizes have changed. The font size of everything else also has changed because this GUI widget took effect. So if I would like to repeat it, return it based on 10, so it is then like this. Yeah, so this is basically example. If one works with a dark scheme, for example, then what would like to have here, I would say, what, dark gray, and the color would be white. That would be in the appearance of the normal text. Selection color is, let's say, blue is okay. Selection background would be, let's say, red. Yeah, so and the same thing on normal Q widget, so that we can have it here. Where it is, like this. So and then we put apply, and then we see that the background is now dark gray, and the color selection is red, and the color of the text is now blue. It's not necessarily the best choice, so one has to be careful with the color selection, but that is example how it works. So this I don't like, so I would put it on default values simply by commenting out this setting, so it gets back on to normal. If one would like to know more which widgets one can change, which properties the Qt offers or support, here is the button help. One can go here, and there is a documentation of CubeGUI appears, which explains shortly about this, and here are 3 links. So like, for example, a list of widgets which can be customized. So if one selects it, and the documentation of Qt opens, and here one can read about the CSS support in Qt. So there's basically a list of widgets: checkbox, data edit, dialog, doc widget, double spin box, frame, label, list view, menu, push button, slider, and then table view, toolbar, text view, tree view. That is what we used our Q widget in general. So these are all widgets are they support CSS control, and then one can select the list of properties, CSS properties. That would be like alternate background color, background image, so one can customize it really in details. Background repeat, position, borders of all possible styles of borders, button layout, Winlet, Makiage, KDE, GNOME, so one can have a different style, colors, fonts, height, icons, images, and. So there are plenty of properties, maybe even too many, but Qt offers them, and we also provide them as a control over the look and feel of CubeGUI. So, and who is not familiar with CSS syntax, so here is also a short guide about it, where it is explained how it is the working, the style rules, and how one formulates the coloring rules, how one have access to sub controls, or to the state of some widgets, hover checked, over pressed, and. So it offers really rich spectrum of controls over the look and feel, and via this screen, a user can really customize the look and feel of CubeGUI how one wants. Yeah, I hope you liked this video, and this feature will be useful for your performance analysis. Give us a comment, like, and as usual, subscribe. Thank you very much, and see you next time.